Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I couldn't pass up telling you guys about this deal because you get 4 server rack batteries right here for under $5,000, which is pretty insane. And these are some of the newest batteries that SunGold Power has put out. These batteries have amazing features built right in, but if you're in a hurry and just want to take advantage of this discount while it lasts, feel free to use the links in the comments or the description to get right over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at the deal that they got going on right here with these batteries. Now, this is for 4 of these batteries all together, so it is a 4-pack that you got to pick up. I know that there's some discounts involved because shipping them is going to be more convenient when you get 4 of them. Now, the SGH48100T batteries, they got 51.2 volt and capacity of 100 amp hours, which translates into a nominal energy of 5.12 kilowatt hours of energy storage. And you're getting 4 of these, so that's over 20 kilowatt hours of battery storage. That's actually about the average use that people use in the United States per day. So it's like the perfect solution if you want to get a battery bank to power your house during an outage. And you're going to be using less than that much power per day during an outage. These are actually specifically designed for more energy storage applications, including low temperature zones. It activates a heating function that's built right into it. I haven't seen very many server rack batteries with built-in heating. This has that built right in, so you have no worries in the wintertime. Even if it's too cold, all you need to do is get a little bit of power going into these batteries and they will heat themselves up to be able to run just fine. Once they get running, they stay pretty warm just fine. So these are designed for use in cold environments. The charging capability is optimized for temperatures below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a long-lasting battery module. It's integrated with Tier 1 automotive LFP battery cells. That's over 7,000 cycles. That means you can charge and discharge this battery over 7,000 times. That's over like 10, 15, almost 20 years if you charge and discharge this battery every single day. That is amazing. LFP batteries are certainly an amazing technology and the superior battery type for energy storage. And it's got smart energy management. It's got BMS built right in. It's going to keep this battery lasting a long time. It's going to protect from over voltage, over current, and all kinds of different things like that. And the good thing about SunGold, they're very compatible with other brand products. Most inverters on the market will easily match up right with the BMS, easily connect. You can connect up to 32 of these in parallel, giving you 164 kilowatt hours of battery storage in your battery bank, which is insane. The great thing about setting up these systems, you can lower your electricity bills. Charge the battery during the day and discharge the battery during the night when peak hours. So what you can basically do is use these systems to charge these batteries at nighttime when power costs less and use the battery power during the day when power costs more from the grid. Basically, you buy the power from the grid at night when it's cheaper, use it during the day through your batteries when it's costs more, avoiding that higher power cost. Because it's got built-in heating, this is going to be a wider application for usage because you can actually damage your batteries if you're trying to use them in low temperatures. This is going to protect your battery, make sure it lasts a very long time for you, and it's got the built-in heating function. So not only is it going to prevent your battery from damaging itself if it's in colder temperatures, but it's going to heat itself back up to get it running just fine, even in those cold temperatures. And of course, you got max 32 modules in parallel. That's a lot of power, 164 kilowatt hours. Imagine having that as a backup. You could sit there and run on your power for days and days on end. You definitely would not know when the power went out. I just wanted to bring this to your attention because there's really big sales going on right now for the summertime, and these are amazingly low price with huge features like the built-in heating element that I've actually never seen on server rack batteries. The fact that they're giving out 4 right now for this price, they can save money by sending 4 at a time, so they're going to translate that into savings for you. Feel free to use the links in the comments or description if you want to try to take advantage of this deal while it lasts. And you can always subscribe to my channel 100% for free if you want to stay updated on this new kind of technology. But make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.